This is the new limited edition Black Unity Apple Watch Series 6. With this new special edition, your purchase also helps a good cause. There's actually two boxes inside of the packaging, one of them for the Black Unity Collection Sports Band and one for the limited edition Apple Watch Series 6 itself. You have special documentation talking about how the red, black, and green are inspired by the Pan-African flag. Included in the box is the magnetic charger, and then you have the Apple Watch itself. What makes this one a special edition is on the back crystal, where you have the words Black Unity etched in. This is where you're really going to notice that this watch is from the Black Unity collection. They're made of 3 individual pieces of colored fluoro elastomer. To complete the look, you have the Black Unity watch face. If you already have an Apple Watch, you can get the Black Unity sports band separately for $50, with part of the proceeds going towards organizations that promote equality and civil rights around the world.